So, the big unveiling. If you paid attention to the last video, if you've watched, you've seen I was editing pictures from the Everett Brothers show, and Miss Mallory Hyndman's grandmother ordered this print, and I couldn't be any happier with it. 16 by 20 print. Biggest print I have ever printed. And it came out absolutely amazing. Pretty proud of that print. Not gonna lie. And Vicky, sorry if you see this video before you see the print. I'm sorry. But not a whole lot going on. We did go out yesterday, and our merry band of amateur photographers, hobbyists, whatever you want to call us, is growing. There was 4 of us that went out yesterday, and we actually went back to where Ed and I just went a few weeks ago, over to Knowlton Covered Bridge over in Ohio. There was a certain shot that I took that I have a picture in my mind of it, and I thought, all right, it's been 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever. The buds on the trees should be out a little farther, and that's what I'm looking for with the color of those little baby leaves. And so we got over there. Well, I never thought that, yeah, we had some warm days after that originally, when me and Ed went over, and then a cold spell come in. Cold spells slow growth down. So we got there yesterday, and I'm like, it looks exactly the same. So I did not get my shot. I did get shots, and that's all this video is going to be. Is I'm just gonna, when I'm done talking, yapping. So if you like pictures, like photography, and you don't want to hear me yap anymore, skip to the end. Skip to the pictures. It'll be worth it. So we took one guy. The one guy that went, he does film. So he ended up using 2 rolls of film. I kid you not. Film's not cheap nowadays. So when he gets those developed, I'm going to go up to his house, or he's going to come in here, and we're going to showcase what he got. So I think that would be a cool video to show digital and what he caught on film. Or, yeah, film. So with all that said, so it was a great outing. Great afternoon. We were out for a few hours or so, maybe 4 hours total by the time we got back home. And everybody had a blast. And everybody did their own thing. Of course, you know, you follow each other around. That's how you learn. But everybody goes their own separate ways too. So it's kind of cool. So of course, you know, me and Ed have done that. Me and Brent do that all the time. Nathan. So now we got Clayton going. So Knowlton Covered Bridge again. I hope you enjoy these pictures, and you'll be seeing it again, because I'm getting that picture.